Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the TechStream. In this video, we are going to talk about the Oneplus Buds Z2, and I've been using these from the last 1 month, and now I'm going to share my experience with you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start with the design. The design and form factor of these earbuds is very good. It is quite compact and small, and they fit very nicely into the ears. They don't fall off from the ears while running or doing any kind of physical exercise. In fact, in my 1 month of usage, I never faced a scenario where they fell from the ears. And I've used them for hours, like 5-6 hours in one go, but I didn't feel any pain or discomfort using these earbuds. You can see that you get 3 mics on each of these earbuds for better noise reduction and in-ear detection. And the circular area on the right side is a touch control, and they are also very well optimized. We'll talk about the touch controls a little later in the video. Talking about the capsule design is also very good. It slides very easily into the pocket and stuff, but it has started getting some scratches, so I'll recommend adding a case to these. If we talk about the connectivity, these earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.2 and they are very fast while connecting. I never faced any issue in connectivity in my 1 month of usage. The sound quality on these earbuds is excellent. The dynamic 11mm drivers have been optimized very well. The buds are also very loud, and I have never went above 70% volume on these. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, listened to music, podcasts, and these earbuds handled all of the conditions flawlessly. And the support of Dolby Atmos took the experience to a whole new other level. Call mic quality is also very good, and the other person gets very crisp and clear sound, and I've had no issues in call whatsoever in my 1 month of usage. Active Noise Cancellation is again wonderful, and with 40 dB of noise cancellation, it dampens all the exterior sounds and background noise, but you will be able to hear if a person near you says something. If you go to the settings, you can see there are different modes. With noise cancellation, it dampens the noise for around 25 dB, and with max active noise cancellation, it goes till 40 dB. I mostly use it on max noise cancellation. You also get the transparency mode, where the outside noise is increased so you can listen to the people talking. And you can switch between ANC mode and transparency mode by using the touch and hold for 1 second gesture. But Z2 come with all the basic functionality and touch controls. It also has in-ear detection, which means as soon as you take these out from your ear, the song or the music will stop and continue when you put them in your ears. If you go into the settings, you can also change all the touch controls. However, these settings and options just throw in OnePlus and Oppo devices. On other devices, you will have to use the Hey Melody app. And even on OnePlus devices, you don't get these features out of the box. You'll need to update the OnePlus Buds app from the Play Store, and only after that you'll get all the options. The gestures work just fine, and I faced no issues whatsoever. These earbuds also have tap and hold for 3 seconds gesture to quickly switch between the various connected devices, and I must say this works great and saves a lot of time. The buds also have a 94 ms latency mode for gaming, which again just works with OnePlus devices. Comment down if you want a complete gaming review with these earbuds. Now let's talk about the battery life. I got about 5 hours of battery on ANC and 6.5 to 7 hours without ANC. So in total I got somewhere around 28 to 30 hours of battery life without ANC and 20 hours of battery life with ANC. And it also depends a lot on the volume level also. I use these earbuds on 70% volume most of the time. With a capsule you can charge these earbuds somewhere around 4 times. It is not close to 38 hours which has been advertised on the box, but yes, overall experience with the battery has been great. The best thing about these earbuds is the support of fast charging, and only 10 minutes of charge will give you up to 5 hours of playback time. So that is just amazing. So the final question is, should you buy these earbuds or not? Well, definitely yes. These are the best earbuds in the 5K price range segment. Everything about these earbuds is either excellent or above par. The audio performance is very solid and the ANC is just fantastic. Touch controls work very well without any problems, and the battery life has also been genuinely great. They also have a gaming mode that just works with OnePlus devices, and I definitely recommend everyone to consider these earbuds if your budget is around 5000 INR. So that's all for this video. Comment down if you want a gaming video with these earbuds. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.